Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa Barangay San Francisco, Biñan, Laguna para sa isang home tour. Ang ating ipapakita ay ang Tiesa model ng Privado Homes, isang bagong project dito nga po sa may Biñan, Laguna na napakalapit lamang po sa may Southwoods exit. Ang lot area ng Tiesa model na ito, isang end townhouse ay 110 square meters. Ayan, meron tayo ditong sa likod na service area for laundry or whatever purpose. And meron tayo dito sa gilid na side garden. And ang kagandahan niyan, yung side natin ay sliding glass door. Meron tayong lot space dito sa harapan. Ang ating bintana sa harapan ay naka-sliding glass to window. Pagpasok natin, solid wood, napakaganda ng pinto. Yung flooring natin, naka 60 by 60 white tiles. This is the actual turnover. Tanggalin lang natin yung gamit. And as you can see, complete. Ikaw at ang gamit mo na lang ang kulang. Ang ganda rin ng kanyang ceiling. Naka-design na siya ng ganyan. And maluwag sobrang luwag nitong living room area. Ang ganda ng position kasi ng stairs. Hindi siya kumain ng space. Naka-open lang yung ating living room. Tapos from here, kita na natin yung ating dining. At saka dito sa gilid, tingnan mo, maaliwalas kasi naka-sliding glass door tayo dito sa gilid, kaya may lighting. And by the way, grand launching ng project na ito sa ngayon, kaya mapapansin nyo may mga confetti dito sa ating flooring. And this is the dining area. Very spacious and kasama na tong mga built-in cabinets na nandito. High ceiling and tingnan nyo, diba? Very spacious. Maski 6-seaters na malalaki yung chairs ng ating table. Hindi siya masikip. And dito sa likod, ayan, meron tayo ditong service area na very spacious din. And dito sa ground floor, we have toilet and bath. And this is my mirror. Shout out to all our kababayan, all OFWs out there, and to all our subscribers. Thank you for watching and thank you for not skipping the ads. Tara, akyat tayo sa itaas. And maganda yung kanilang stairs kasi sakto lang yung steps and sakto lang din yung kanyang. Sa taas, we have 3 bedrooms and this is bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 2, the master's bedroom. Very spacious. Queen or king na bed yung nakalagay inside. Pero as you can see, malaki pa rin yung space niya left and right. Meron na rin tayo ditong toilet and bath. Complete with fixtures na rin. Hi guys! Ang ganda nung bahay. Gusto ko na talaga ditong lumipat. And meron tayo ditong walk-in closet, 'di ba? Naka-connect dito sa toilet and bath. As you can see, pwede ka na dyan maglagay ng dresser mo para less cluttered ka dun sa may bed area. Siya nga pala, kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, I'm Sheila Beronilla, your friendly real estate broker. My blog is all about buying and selling of real property investment and anything in between. Kaya kung gusto mo ng ganitong content, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para lagi kang updated. Thank you! And this is the 3rd bedroom. This is once again located at Barangay San Francisco, Binyan, Laguna. 5 minutes away to Southwoods Exit and SLEX, malapit sa Southwood Mall, Hospital, Church, University, Bus Terminal, and other major establishments. This is 15 minutes drive to Alabang via Southwoods Exit. Binidyo namin yung way namin kanina papunta dito sa Privado Homes. Malapit lamang siya dyan sa may Olivares, Southwoods, and very accessible kasi along the service road lamang po ito. Marami tayong models na pagpipilian. Package starts from 4.5 million pesos only, and ang kagandahan nito, installment siya dahil pre-selling pa lamang po. We have complete amenities, may clubhouse, park and playground for the kids, swimming pool and kiddie pool, and basketball court. Ipopost ko po sa comment section at sa description box ang kanyang presyo at ang kanyang computation. So marami po tayong model na pagpipilian and nakarating na po tayo. This is Privado Homes. Ang ganda ng kanyang entrance gate and well secured po tayo dito dahil ito ay guarded 24 hours. So for now, a-attend tayo ng grand launching and tara, sama po kayo. So for viewing and inquiries and per pastor transaction, please direct messages at FB Messenger Sheila Medina Veronilla or contact us at Smart Viber 0908-893-4078, Globe 0917-842-7198. I-attach ko din po dito yung ating mga iba't ibang models na pagpipilian. Thank you for watching and keep safe always. Bye!